Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the Hangman game using Python. So this is the complete code. Let's open the terminal, cmd and then python space hangman.py. So it will open the game window. Project developed using Python programming language and pygame is used. Click on any character and we have to complete the phrase like I, L, O, E, U, B, T, D. You lost, press any key. The phrase was geologist. Okay, let's again start. A, E, okay, R, T, M, okay, you lost, press any key to play again. The phrase was press conference. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.